anti-money laundering, counter-terrorism finance training. G'day, Peter Johnson here from Advisors Digest. It's now a requirement under the law to train your staff on the processes in your firm around the new AML CTF laws. And at Advisors Digest, we've got you covered. 2 training sessions designed to teach your team how to deal with the new AML laws. The first session, primarily designed for firms that are adopting the standard AUSTRAC program, where we're going to look at what are your ongoing training obligations, how to onboard a new client from scratch, and then completing your client due diligence file note for any new clients. We'll go through the individual know your client, know your business procedure, the company know your client, know your business procedure, the trust know your client, know your business procedure. We've got a special section on lost trust deeds. You've all got clients that don't have their trust deeds, and we can't just stop servicing these clients, but we'll teach you how to deal with them. We'll talk about your pre-commencement clients, what to do with those, and then we'll finish off with all your registered office clients where you are the registered office for them. Second session for everybody, regardless of what program you have adopted. We'll have a look at what does a red flag look like within your practice. How does a staff member escalate an issue up to the AML compliance officer? We will look at the tipping off rule and how breaching it is a criminal offence. We'll look at suspicious matter reporting. We'll teach you about that in plain English. We'll have worked examples of difficult client situations, or the record keeping that you have to do and keep for 7 years. We'll talk about your firm's anti-money laundering program and completing and maintaining your training record. You've got to have this training done before you can provide designated services. You have to train all of your staff that will be dealing with AML within your practice. Advisors Digest are giving you that training. You want to find out more? Click on the button below. I look forward to seeing you and your team in our training.